As this video clip shows, the patient is on their stomach on the table. The doctor may have you on your back depending on which movement they are restoring. The doctor will place their hands on either side of your spine and have you take a breath in. As you exhale, they will push down on your spine. At the end of your breath out, the doctor will apply a force to your spine with their hands. During this quick movement, you may hear a cracking sound or feel a pop in your spine. This is normal and will help to restore motion in your mid-back.